Hey there, it's Amanda. I am founder of Food52, and today I am going to show you how to make a cardamom egg cream with a holiday vibe. We're going to begin by making a simple syrup with some water and sugar that we're going to then infuse with cardamom and vanilla. But first, we're going to heat this up so that the sugar dissolves, and as soon as it comes to a boil, we're going to shut off the heat and add the aromatics. So a classic vanilla egg cream is made with just a vanilla syrup, real whole milk, and seltzer. So the only thing I'm changing up here is that I'm adding some cardamom, and I wanted to use cardamom because it's a spice that I associate with the holidays because it's very typically found in baked goods around the holidays in Scandinavia. I thought it would be kind of a nice way to add a little spice to an egg cream and come up with a holiday drink that isn't quite as hefty as an eggnog. All right, just shutting off the heat. The syrup has come to a boil. And then I'm gonna place it on the lid, which also doubles as a trivet. And I'm going to add the vanilla extract. You could also just add a vanilla bean if you have one, but I figured most people have extract. And some crushed cardamom pods. We're gonna stir that in and then just let it sit until it's cool, and we're gonna strain it, and then we're gonna make some egg creams. Okay, our syrup is cool, and now we are going to pour it through this strainer. There we go. So now we have a nice, clear, pale yellow syrup to use for our egg cream. You're gonna love how easy this is to assemble. So we've got 2 tablespoons of syrup, real whole milk, and I am using lactose-free because I am lactose intolerant, but it works just as well. And I like to use the whole lactose-free because you want that nice, rich, creamy flavor. And the last thing we're gonna do is add the seltzer, but first I like to mix the milk and the syrup to make sure that they are fully blended. I guess I was supposed to use a spoon, but I'm using my straw. And then I'm gonna add some seltzer, and it's equal parts seltzer and milk. And the seltzer just gives it this little spritz, and then you've got the creamy flavor of the milk and the nice aromas of the spices. Delicious. So lactose-free milk, by the way, has all the same nutritional benefits as regular milk, and it tastes a little bit sweeter, but nothing that you would notice markedly in a drink like this, and it's really fantastic here. Happy holidays.